In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on Suggestion Strip at the top of your keyboard. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on this section called System. Then select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and the Gboard. Following that, select Corrections and Suggestions to use this switcher next to Suggestion Strip. When it's blue, you can go back to check out your keyboard. As you can see, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Now thanks to it, by clicking on gear icon at the top of your keyboard, you can access the same section of your settings right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!